Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. So today we're doing a natural hair video. We're doing a Flexi rod set on dry natural hair. I'm showing you my New Year's Eve look and how I achieved the holiday hair that you see right here. It's not just holiday hair, it's perfect for any type of special occasion, or it's just perfect for work or when you're going out or something like that. These curls are very easy to achieve in the fraction of amount of time that you would take if you did it on wet natural hair. You can get this style on old hair, not freshly washed, which is why I really like this style. And it's very simple to do. So if you're interested in seeing how I do my heatless curls, the Flexi rod set on my dry natural hair, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. Okay guys, so like I said, we're going to start on old hair. This hair has been up in a bun for a couple of days. It doesn't really have a lot of product in it, maybe some gel, but it's nothing to where I need to rewash the hair. I would recommend washing your hair, maybe putting no product in it if you don't have to, and just letting it air dry and then starting the style then. So to start off, I'm going to comb the hair out. Then I'm going to take this Second Nature hemp seed oil once I've combed my hair completely out. And I'm going to use that as just a little bit of oil to add to each section of hair before I go in with mousse and Flexi rod it. So this is just going to add some shine and some moisturization to the section of hair. And I'm going to work through all 4 sections that you're going to see me do with the comb and then the oil.
Taking over your body, it's flowing through your mind. This feeling's got me on fire. Don't ever leave it all behind. Can you feel the attraction?
Then I'm going to take this BioSilk Hydrating Therapy Rich Moisture Mousse, and I'm going to take a good size amount of that, like really just like a dime or a quarter size, and then it just inflates into that amount right there. And I'm going to start in the back section of hair that I have parted off, and I'm going to take my Flexi rod, which I don't know where these are even from. Just take any Flexi rods that you have. You're going to see me use several different types, but I'm going to use the bigger ones in the back. And what I do is just start in the middle of the Flexi rod and twist my hair down to the end of the Flexi rod, and then I'm going to twist my hair up on the Flexi rod close to my scalp. And then I'm just going to bend each side of the Flexi rod inwards, and it's going to stay in place. So as you can see, I'm applying the mousse first. Then I'm going to start in the middle of the section of hair and twist the length of my hair down to the end of the Flexi rod. And then I'm going to bend the end of the Flexi rod up once I make sure that's nice and smooth. And then twist the rest of the Flexi rod up towards my scalp, and then bend the top part of the Flexi rod in, and then it just stays in place. So I'm going to work on the front section of one side of my hair, and you're going to see me just repeat this process over and over until I complete my whole head of hair.
Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day, but now we're out here together with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's feel the love running through like electricity.
Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm almost done with my hair. So I have this last little section, so I'm going to show you a couple more times what I do to install these Flexi rods. It's very, very simple, so let's do this. So I'm going to take a generous amount of the mousse, probably about a quarter size amount, and I'm going to smooth it along the length of the hair. Then I am going to take a small section of hair, and I'm using smaller Flexi rods now, as you can see in the front of my head. And I'm just going to start in the middle and twist the length of my hair down to the end of the Flexi rod. And then I'm going to twist it up to my scalp and then bend both ends together. So as you can see, once again, I'm twisting my hair down the length of the Flexi rod. I'm bending one of those ends up, and then twisting it up to my scalp, and then bending the other end inwards. And then I'm completely done with my hair. Yes, It's that simple. So now I'm just going to take a bonnet. This is what I slept on for the night. I'm just going to take a really oversized bonnet. I think I got this at Walmart, and I got it years and years ago. So you can find these at Walmart. You don't have to go anywhere special. And then I'm just going to sleep on them. These are not the most comfortable to sleep in, but they're not the worst. I have slept in worse, trust me. So now it's the next day. This is actually New Year's Eve. So I'm taking the hair down. And as you can see, all I do is unbend those ends of the Flexi rod. And then I'm just going to spiral those out of my hair. You'll see me do it right here. I'm just going to, go backwards, kind of like twist them out. So it makes like that perfect little bouncy curl. I'm going to show you a couple more times, and then we'll get on to separating these curls. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I separate these curls. As you can see, I just added a little bit more of that hemp seed oil to the palms of my hands. I feel like adding oil to your hands just adds more shine and moisturization to the hair. And when you separate them, it prevents you from creating unnecessary frizz. So what I'm doing is just pulling those curls apart. I'll twist them along my finger if I need to in a spiraling motion to keep that spiral to them. And that's all I do over and over. And then once I have all the curls separated, or separated for the most part, I'll take just a wide tooth comb. You can also use a pick, but this wide tooth comb works the same way. And I'm just going to pull the hair from my scalp outwards and upwards, and that just creates more volume and fluff, and it just looks more less put together and not so flat, which is what I really like. The last thing left to do is to take your favorite edge control. I'm using this one right here that I got from Amazon. I'm unsure of the brand, but it's really good. I really like it. So I'm just taking the edge control brush and I'm smoothing back the front of my hair just to tame down those edges and doing any last finishing touches as far as separating the curls. And that is it. That is it for this tutorial on how to do a Flexi Rod set on dry, natural hair and get these beautiful heatless curls. I like this hairstyle for some type of special occasion. I did this for New Year's. You can do this for going out. This is a fairly quick hairstyle. You don't technically have to sleep on it, but I like to sleep on it just to make sure my hair is completely dry. But if you're in a rush, this is a great hairstyle to go to. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I cannot wait to hopefully see y'all on my next one. Bye-bye.
Can you feel it between